Hello, everyone. So Ho and I are very excited to have had the opportunity to organize and to chair this session of the new genetics of Huntington's. I think I'm only slightly biased in saying that our work, or the work in the field in genetics over the years, has really been central to our understanding of the disease as well as potential therapeutics. I also just wanted to quickly highlight again, after this amazing tribute, how much I think for both of us we feel like this is really Leslie's session, and she was really obviously a leader in the field, contributed so greatly, and was really supportive of all of us. So I wanted to thank her again for that, and also just to say that she's in our thoughts as well as Peter. So I'm now going to pass it over to Hoa, who's going to tell you a little bit about the session and introduce our first speaker.
Yes. Hello, everyone. And so in also honoring what Leslie has given us in the past couple of years, that we constructed the session to introduce also new speakers to the EHDN. So when we discussed about the session, we'll start with someone more renowned, and Darren is probably known to everyone here in the room. Will give us an overview, a summary of what have been done in genetics in the recent years as the genetic modifiers in Huntington's disease. And then we will have younger, new speakers talking about their specific work in shorter sessions. So in the beginning we will have a little bit longer talk, up to 30 minutes, where we have 25 minutes of the talk and 5 minutes discussions, and after that we will have 50 minutes talks plus 5 minutes discussion after every talk. So with that, with no further ado, I would like to introduce Darren Monckton, who is Professor of Human Genetics at the University of Glasgow. And Darren, I would like to invite you to give your talk.